Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Same luggage, same hotel, same city, not the same suite. So I thought, why not doing a new room tour showing you my winter outfit today and explain a little bit more. So it's just 10 days later and I definitely didn't plan to be back in this hotel so quickly, but sometimes plans changed and that's where I am right now. But first of all, thank you all so much for your lovely comments about my calendar. So the first ones received them and of course I signed them and I still sign them all and give you some little pictures with it. And I'm happy that you are happy. So this is the spot where I sit and work and answer all your emails, also concerning the calendar. Also, this is the place where I enjoy my in-room dining. Sometimes it's so convenient. So let's start with a little bit more room tour. Because there's the entrance and next to it is this huge mirror. I think that's a good one. So you can put your jackets behind it. And of course, the first bathroom, the little one over there. You can see it, another staircase going up and another one of these older benches and one of these new benches. It's from Benz, so looks good. And what I found out, you can just remove the pillows and put them somewhere else. So it's the same one like in the other hotel suite. If you didn't saw that room tour, take a look. I guess I will link it in this corner and also in the description box. Come closer. I'll wait for you. So this is the city view today. So it's a little bit different from the other side where it used to be. Quite a nice change. So time to use the staircase and go up. The same stairs, the same height. I like this little corner sofa. You can directly watch TV if you like. So, okay, it should be the other way around, but sometimes I wonder if I should explain a little bit more also about the mistakes. Like for example, why this TV is turned around, because the light of the timer was so bright and it was California time on it, not the German time. Let's talk about this corner. Maybe start with the mistake. So this is the emergency exit and it was flashing lights all over. So I had some kind of a party disco light in the evening, but now it's just red. Now it works like it should be, but yeah, sometimes it's not working like it should be. So this is my area for all my stuff. This looks so dangerous, but this is a glass wall, but you don't see a lot of reflection, so sometimes it's a little bit scary, but nothing will happen. So a little makeup corner over there, and of course the bathroom with the big mirror. You can also put down the curtains. So you can close this door like this, or you can close it here. So also very nice. The bed, of course, very important. Bigger than in the other suite. And some more windows. So from here you can see a little bit more about Hamburg Harbor, all the ships, and of course the city. So you're watching Reeperbahn and then the full city. So the city looks so cold, it's -5 degrees Celsius, pretty freezing. But it's okay because I want to visit some of the Christmas markets with some friends, getting into Christmas mood, and of course the last Christmas presents. It's the perfect time for it. And I'm not sure if I will upload this video even before Christmas because time runs so fast, so a lot of things to do before my family arrives. So I guess maybe you will see some shorts of this one and this video a little bit later. So I hope you all had a great Christmas time or a relaxing time for you. And of course, a great new start into the new year. But maybe you will see us. So thank you for your subscription, for your thumbs up, for leaving a nice comment. And of course, we will see us again and again. So have a wonderful time. Bye bye and take care.